Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this TORRAS Shockproof Galaxy S22 case. Military grade drop tested. We have translucent matte hard back and soft edges with a slim protective which is compatible for our Samsung Galaxy S22. It's in case for the 5G Guardian series in black. It's also available in other colors too, like green, pink, blue or crystal clear. This case is also available for the S21, the S22 Plus and the S23. It's certified upgrade in military grade protection. It's compatible for the Samsung Galaxy S22. It's a phone case. It's only not compatible with any other models, of course. It's certified MIL STD 810H protection, engineered with touch polycarbonate and soft flexible silicone bumper to defeat daily wear and tear. Besides the built-in 360 degrees all-around powerful impact dispersion airbags and the four corners equipped with second-generation X-Shock anti-collision angle technology strongly protect the protruding mobile phone from dropping, collision and face-up or face-down injuries. And we have a slim in profile and a flawless fit. The compatible for the Samsung Galaxy S22 5G case minimalized the design while offering military-grade protection for daily grip and pocket-friendly, complete with precision cutouts and modern bezel design that fits to our phone, snug and stops any dust from entering and scratching the body of the phone. Designed to deliver eye protective while complementing our style. And top materials for skin-friendly and anti-scratch. This phone case adopts the high-quality German-imported materials. That's cool. This making it more scratch-resistant and anti-fingerprint than other materials. We have upgraded new nano alluxophobic coating. This brings the case with the exceptionally silky touch feeling and non-slippery slide soft bumper provides excellent grip for the convenient handling. And that's really cool. Here comes an exclusive 3 color responsible click buttons. Because it's compatible with our S22, of course, we have a unique ergonomic design for independent buttons, feels sensitive and much easier to press, with solid feedback and nice tactile feel. Especially provided 3 different colors of the buttons. We DIY as they are alike, free to show our style with orange or with yellow, or we mix the colors, or we use the black one. And it's compatible with the Galaxy device. 6-inch allows a full access to all ports. 100% matches. That's TORRAS Wonder Exploring Forward. Cool, that's really cool because it's Guardian series. And of course, charging is G adapted possible. 6-time exceeded military drop protection. That means we've defeated any accidental drops. 26 angles, 8 feet high, no damage. That's cool. And enhanced 1.5mm on the camera labs. Protection, baby. Enhanced 1.5mm on the screen bezel. Protection, baby. 100% support power share. No product. We have a protective yet slim. The sleek minimalist design makes it possible. We capture an aesthetic as unique as we are, and DIY as you like. We choose the most suitable color to decorate our phone with this set here. This is the TORRAS Shockproof Galaxy S22 case, military grade drop tested. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.